Everyone, so I will be showing you how to crochet this lovely pattern. What you're gonna need is two balls of yarn, your choice of color, and I chose these two. Okay, it is yarn collection and they're 100% acrylic. I also use this needle, which is a 3.00 millimeter crochet needle. You will need a scissors to clip your yarn as you change your color. Okay, and I'm just going to show you. So I started crocheting this, but I want you to learn how to crochet the motifs and join them. Okay, so as you can see, I have a pattern going. I have blue in the middle, yellow, and blue again. So my next pattern will call for a yellow. So I'm going to get my yellow yarn and we're going to get started. So I'm going to make a total of 5 chains. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chains. I'm going to join it and I'm going to make 1, 2, 3. 3 chains in my ring. I'm going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. 3 chains back in my ring, and I'm going to make a total of 3 double crochets. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. 3 chains, and then 3 double crochets, and as you can see, we're almost there. This is quite repetitive and it's very easy. So what you have is 3 chains and 3 double crochets, but to begin with you have a total of 3 chains and 2 double crochets in the beginning. Okay, so that's your beginning stitch, and I'm going to join this with my 3 chains at the very top here. Okay, like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my yarn, so I will be clipping my yarn like that, and I'm going to tighten it. I'm going to go through the back and I'm going to tuck my yarn in. When I'm done, I can fix that up really nice. Okay, but for now I don't want it in my way, so you should have something that looks like this. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab my blue yarn because that's my next color that I'm working with. Okay, so that was my son, guys. Okay, he dropped something. Okay, so I'm gonna make a total of 4 chains and I'm gonna make a treble. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. We made 2 chains. Now we're ready to join our motifs. Okay, so I'm gonna go push my needle through here and I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna make 1, 2 chains. I'm gonna go in the stitch here, see, in your 3 chain stitch, and I'm gonna make a slip stitch, and I'm gonna make 1, 2, 2 chains. Okay, and then I will be joining this like this, and 1, 2, 2 chains. I'm gonna go now and make a treble and go in at the top and pull it through again in my next stitch. Oops, sorry. Okay, there we go, in my next stitch, and again in my next stitch. Okay, and then I'm gonna make 1, 2, 2 chains. I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna go in this stitch, as you can see, and I'm gonna pull my yarn through, and 1, 2, I'm gonna go in this stitch over here, and 1, 2, go back and grab this one, pull it through, and 1, 2. So you should have something that's starting to look like this. And then I'm gonna go in here and treble again and again. Okay, so what we're gonna have after we do this is 5 chains. Okay, when you're no longer joining the motifs together, you're gonna have 5 chains. You have to make 5 chains, and we're gonna go in here. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and then we're going in each of these stitch, and we're gonna finish off these stitch. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna join. We're closing it off here at the top of the stitch. Okay, like this, and we're gonna clip our yarn, and I'm just gonna tuck it in for now. I can always go and tie it at the back so it doesn't come loose again. Okay, so I'm just gonna tuck it in for now, and you should have something that looks like this. See? Okay, so I'm gonna do the last one. I'm gonna join it at the corner, and our next color on the inside should be blue. Okay, so I'm gonna get my blue yarn, and I will be making a total of 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. I'm gonna join it, and inside my ring, 1, 2, 3 chains, and 3. So we have 3 chains and 2 double crochets, and then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3 chains, and back in the ring, and we're doing a total of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 chains, back in the ring, and 1, 2, 3 chains, back in the ring again, and 3 double crochets, and 1, 2, 3 chains. We're gonna join our chains at the top like this, and then we're gonna clip our yarn. So you should have something that looks like that. Okay, so let's clip our yarn, and there we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna tuck this in for now until later on. Okay, so you have something that looks like that. See, so we're gonna join this. So I'm gonna need my yellow yarn now. So yellow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the top here. Okay, I'm joining my yarn here, and I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and a treble. So okay, and then 1, 2 chains. Now we're ready to join our motifs. Okay, so I'm gonna go here. Okay, so I'm joining the set of 5 chains, and I'm gonna make 1, 2, 2 chains. I'm gonna go in here, okay, there, and I'm gonna make 1, 2 chains. I'm going over here where the 5 chains are, and I'm gonna make 1, 2, 2 chains. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go here, okay, and treble. Sometimes these yarns are not very easy to work with. They unravel a lot. Okay, and then we have 1, 2, 2 chains. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna pick this up. See, I'm picking this up on this side here. So you're always picking up the 5 chain stitch, okay? And we're gonna go in here and 1, 2, 2 chains, and I'm picking up the last stitch here. So I'm picking up the last stitch here, okay, which is the 5 chains, and I'm gonna make 1, 2, 2 chains, and I'm going in at the top and in the top again and in the top, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains in here, okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 5 chains, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 5 chains, and we're gonna join our chains, okay. So I'm just gonna join my chains, clip my yarn, okay, and there you have it, all done. Isn't that beautiful? If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe now, leave me a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and share my YouTube channel link in my description, and keep watching for many more. Don't forget to turn your notification on. Take care. Many blessings. Bye for now.